What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. Special delivery from Amazon. This is the Artic King 7 cubic foot freezer. Let's see here. All right, this is the Artic King 7 cubic feet deep freeze chest freezer from Amazon. As you can see, there is tons of room down there for meats and leftovers and all sorts of things. So that's what we're looking for, is an auxiliary freezer. It's really nice. Got a little basket up here to keep it out of the deep freeze in the bottom. I'm already using a vacuum sealer for meats and barbecue and that sort of thing, so I can store my vacuum sealed meats or frozen vegetables, that sort of thing. And it doesn't take all the room up in the freezer that's in the kitchen. And this is going to be an auxiliary freezer that's kind of out in the garage. Looks good, plenty big enough for our needs. And of course you can plug this into the wall. The plug is going to be on the back here. I imagine I got to pop this panel off to pull that plug out of there. But there it is. The Artic King 7 cubic feet deep freeze chest freezer. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope it's been informative. Y'all take care.